Isang taus-pusong pagbati sa ating mga kababayan sa Japan. We are once again entering this festive season, which brings wonderful opportunities for us to come together, celebrate our culture, and strengthen the bonds that unite us, even when we are far from home. I am delighted to invite you to this year's Philippine Festival, happening on December 7 and 8 at Yoyogi Park in Shibuya, Tokyo. Organized by the Filipino community for the Filipino community, this festival will be a vibrant showcase of our culture. From delicious food to lively music and captivating dances, the Philippine Festival is a true celebration of the heart and soul of the Filipino people. Ang pagtitipong ito ay magbibigay pugay sa ating mga tradisyon at higit pang patitibayin ang ating samahan bilang isang komunidad. It will be a time for families and friends to reconnect and for the international community to experience the warmth and hospitality that Filipinos are known for. Sama-sama po tayong magdiwang habang tinatahak ang landas tungo sa isang bagong Pilipinas. This December, let us create lasting memories, honor our traditions, and forge new friendships. I look forward to seeing all of you at Yoyogi Park for an unforgettable and joyous celebration. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa inyong lahat.